Meet Lume, the viral laundry folding robot lamp everyone's talking about. A lamp that folds your laundry? Meet Lume, the laundry folding robot that's quietly going viral. Designed by Stanford researcher Aaron Tan, Lume looks like a pair of sleek bedside lamps, but when activated, robot arms emerge, detect your laundry and start folding. No noise, no fuss, and no need for your involvement. Tan shared a short teaser online and it racked up nearly 4 million views in 2 days. Some were amazed, others asked, is this real? The answer, sort of. The video was a render, but the working prototype lives in a garage in San Francisco. The idea comes from Beauty and the Beast, where furniture comes alive, but this version sticks to one task, folding laundry. No roaming, no cooking, and definitely no back rubs. It's called Ambient Robotics, tech that lives in the background, does one thing well, and doesn't try to replace humans. Coming in 2026, under $2,000, simple, useful, and finally a robot that doesn't need a user manual that's the size of a novel. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.